Welcome to the Stock Wheel Challenge series. Before the market opens each day, I spin a wheel with 10 stocks on it, and whichever stock the wheel lands on is the only stock I'm allowed to trade the entire day. The catch is there are 5 good stocks in green and 5 bad stocks in red. The good stocks are ones that are known for being consistent to trade. The bad stocks are the exact opposite. These are low volume stocks, meme stocks, penny stocks, all extremely volatile and unpredictable. So buckle up because this is going to be quite the challenge and there's a lot to learn along the way. You ready to spin the wheel for day 2 of the Stock Wheel Challenge? Before we spin the wheel, don't forget to subscribe if you like trading content and leave a comment right below that like button of what challenge you want to see me do next. Every little bit of support makes a huge difference in helping me help traders like you on their journeys to financial freedom. Let's see what today's stock is so I can get some opening trades. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What's it gonna be? Please be oh, space would be awesome. No. No, that's probably the worst one on this list. Got a breakdown here actually. Today's down 7%. I didn't get in on this breakdown because, I mean, it just happened. 27, the break at 27. I mean, I already hit target, so I can't chase it now. Is this frozen? No. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be like this. Look at how low the volume is. That's one reason why this one's terrible, but it's making a move actually. I missed that. I'm not too upset about it because look at how, well, the spread just changed, but the spread's averaging about 20 cents and look how choppy this is moving. Like, this is real time, like full on real time. Not even like 3-second delay. It's just taking that long for orders to actually go through. So I think it'd be best if I take bigger trades. I wonder if there are shares available to short. Let's check the daily chart in this one. Really quick, let's see what we're working with. Okay, so we have a big move up, coming down, coming under yesterday's lows, 27. So that was a big breakdown point, and then coming down to next support around 25. Okay, breaking down 27 down to 25. Fair enough. So I have a bearish sentiment in this one overall based on the daily chart. Yeah, here we go. So we are gapping under some support levels. 27 here, you can see pre-mark. You could also see it struggled with it on this day. Okay. So I do want to get into this short if I can. Let's get in. 800 shares short here under the secondary breakdown. I clicked the order. Come on, don't do this to me. Market order filled 2630. Filled 2640. Nice. Got a decent fill there. And that used hardly any buying power, so I can get more shares if I need to. So I can add on a, like every breakdown it does, I could add shares. Add. Yep, there we go. Adding 1600 here. Another 3200 shares here. I'm gonna round out to 7,000 shares. Have that 2650 area. Yeah, this is looking good to come down. I'm up $3,000. $3,000 on this trade right now. It's a pretty big trade though. I put a lot of buying power into it. All right, coming down, very, very light volume. I like how we got a volume spike on a red candle here, followed by very light volume, 2,293 shares on the green candle after that. There's a little bit of SR at 2640. Body of this candle, wicks couldn't break through it, but it's not strong. We had 2 candles break through it. It's ranging side. I like how it's ranging sideways on, between 2620 and 2660 though. Oh. I just need to keep my mouth shut. Yeah, cost is annoying. Finally, I mean, some volume on that last trade, 20,000, or on that last candle, I mean. But holy cow, this is just terrible to trade. About break even, down 360. It's pretty much like trading this is pretty much GameStop, but a worse version of it. Whenever a stock is following another stock's move, you want to trade the main stock making the move, not the stock following the move. So if you have, let's say, a stock in the banking sector making a move because recent news came out and then the whole banking sector moves, but you want to trade the move somehow, you trade the stock that had the news. You don't trade one of the ones following it. because the ones following it aren't going to follow it perfectly. They have their own little issues going on. They have their own support and resistance levels. They have their own things going on. You want to trade the stock that the news was in. You want to trade the main stock, not the sister play. That's why trading cost today is so terrible, because it's a sister play to GameStop. So I'd rather trade GameStop than this. And I might end up holding this through the end of the stream and hold on to it through the end of the day and give you updates on Instagram or something, because I want to give this a chance to come down. It's still trending down on the hourly chart. And this is why I didn't panic on this move in cost, because I've learned the behavior of this stock and it still had resistance here at 28.50. I don't recommend you trading this style if you're a beginner, using mental stops and moving and day trading, intraday trading on the 5-minute chart based on the hourly chart. The risk management gets extremely confusing and it's extremely risky if you don't have the control over emotions and mentality that an experienced trader has. So I don't recommend you beginners replicating this trading strategy, this trading style that I've been doing in cost today. I'm going to hold on to this cost position through the day and close out, and I'll update you all on Instagram probably. Hopefully we get a stock better than this awful stock. We have Space I can get. I'd like Space. I'd like Tesla. I'd even take Roblox at this point. FCEL would be fun. I'd even take GameStop over what we went through today.